Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Chad Benny here, your Make Money Online coach, and today I'm super excited. I want to share with you the top 3 highest paying money making apps that you can start using practically worldwide on your smart devices such as your cell phone or your tablet. These are the same apps that I'm using every single day, and now I'm going to share with you what I believe the top 3 are. Real quickly here before we get too deep into this video, if you are brand new to this channel, make sure that you have subscribed. I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can start generating an income online for yourself. And also, you guys, if you have not checked out my #1 recommendation to make money online, make sure that you check that out. I've left a link right up here. There's also a link down in the top of the description of this video as well. It says my #1 recommendation to make money online. You guys, that is where I got started 6 months ago. And before that, I have spent 10 years stumbling around on the internet trying multiple different businesses only to meet failure and waste a ton of money. If you want a roadmap to success that shows you step by step exactly what you need to do to make a significant amount of money online and live a life of freedom, make sure that you check that out down in the description of this video. Alrighty, so jumping straight on into this, you guys, coming in #3, the first application that we have up here is called StreetBees. And basically what this is a market research technology, you guys. And what's really cool about this is they're working with very big, well-known brands. If you take a look down here, they're working with brands such as like L'Oreal, Pepsi, BBC, and then they've been recently featured in the press such as The Times, Wired, Bloomberg. So very, very well reputable company that is very, very well liked, and these guys are paying in cash, you guys, and I believe they pay in 87 different countries, so this works worldwide. So when you arrive at this web page right here, what you want to do is come up here to where it says become a bee. You'll simply click on that. You can see some of the stories and stuff that people are sharing here with how much fun they've had with this application. Again, you can see the brands that they're working with. So basically how this works, you guys, is you're going to create your own profile. You can do that by simply clicking join now right here and doing this on a desktop or laptop, or you can download the application and get signed up directly through that as well. But once you're all signed up, all you're going to do is they're going to start sending you tasks based off the description that you gave in your profile. And then all you're going to do is pick questions that you want to answer, and then you're going to get paid in cash. Most of these questions take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and they're very simple, you guys. As you can see right here, just the examples that they have right up here, the tasks are easy. You can take a 1-minute video while you make tea. You can say what you think of your mobile network. You can take a photo at your local supermarket. So if you know you're going to the store that day and you have a task like this that's up on there, you can simply choose that task, go to your local supermarket, get what you're going to get anyways, and then take a photo that they want you to take at that store and get paid some extra money that day. Real quickly here, just jumping over to the Google Play Store here, you guys, so we can review this app really quickly in more detail. You can see that this has been rated by 26,819 people, roughly 4 stars here. People are absolutely loving this application. And then again, just like I said, this is available in 87 different countries. Make sure that you let me know down in the comments if for some reason this app is not available for you. Like I said, this is available pretty much worldwide. That is a lot of countries, you guys. And then just a quick breakdown again of exactly how this works. Like I said, this is very simple, very easy to do. You're just going to be downloading the app, you create an account, and then you become a bee. And then they're going to start sending you stories such as tasks. And then if there's none at the moment, don't panic. As they get to know you better, they will send you more suitable ones as they launch. Like I said, these tasks take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. Some involve just giving a quick opinion poll or taking a fun photo or video response, and then you will be paid in cash or prizes. Coming in at #2, we have ES Faucets, you guys, and I absolutely love this website. And I know what you're thinking. This is a website. How is this an application? Well, they have a full range of mobile applications that I'm going to show you in a second. I just quickly wanted to describe what exactly is happening on this website. So if you're not familiar with what a faucet is, it's basically just a place that you can come and claim free cryptocurrency again and again with just the click of a button. And this is my #1 most favorite one, you guys. Right here, you can claim up to 12 or 13, I believe, different cryptocurrencies. I think ES Faucets has their own coin called ES Coin that you can claim as well. So there's one more on here that they're not showing, that if you come over here and click Faucets, it actually shows it in there as well. So every 5 to 10 minutes, you can come here, click on each one of these and claim your free cryptocurrency. Now, what's really cool, like I said, is you can download the mobile applications and access this from your smart devices. So, and I'm talking about your Android and iOS devices, obviously. They also have a couple games that pay out in cryptocurrency. So if you want to play Crypto Math or Latoshi Stacker, you can get paid in cryptocurrency just for those as well. If you just want to be able to access the faucets, Like I said, you can come down here and download the faucets for each one of these different types of coins and do this directly from your smart devices. Quickly jumping back over to the dashboard right here, I just wanted to do a quick breakdown of exactly what's happening if you're not familiar with what a faucet is. We'll just click on this Litecoin one right here. I'm going to click view and then we'll click on faucet. It's going to load the page, and then once this loads, what you want to focus on right now is down here at the bottom where it says click here to claim. This is where you're going to claim your free cryptocurrency, and right now we're claiming Latoshi. So we'll say click here to claim, and then you're going to say I'm not a robot, and then you're just going to click verify. And it's going to say claiming, claim complete. And now you can see I've earned my free Latoshi right there at claim amount. So you can come back here and do this, I believe, like every 5 to 10 minutes for each and every single one of these coins. And what's really cool is when you continue to come back again and again, this adds up all these different bonuses. Your daily bonus starts to go up, your ES bonus starts to go up as well, and then your offer bonuses. They have different offers that you can come over here and complete. And when you max out all these different bonuses, you can be making up to 500% more every time you claim some of this free cryptocurrency. So that's one of the things that's really cool about this. I also really quickly just wanted to point out that ES Faucets has a referral program, and you get an extra $2,500 ES coin just by clicking on the referral link that I'm going to be leaving down in the description. I'll get that, you'll get that as well. You can also sign up and refer your friends, your family, people that you know, and get 2,500 ES coin every time somebody signs up. You also get 20% of whatever that referred user claims. Alrighty, and coming in at number 1, you guys, we have Swagbucks, and I absolutely love this application. It's installed on my smartphone, just like all the other apps that we've been talking about today. What's really cool about this application, though, that I love is that there's several different ways that you can get paid on this one single app, and all of them are very simple, easy things to do, right? So whenever you have some free time, you can bust this out and make some extra side cash on the side just for completing some very simple tasks. And so we'll review those here in just a sec. I want to show you over in the Google Play Store. This has been rated by 32,582 people, you guys, rated 4 stars. People absolutely love this application. Checking it out over in the Apple App Store, it has been rated by 8.4 thousand people, rated 4.3 stars. Again, people really like this app, just like me. So if we jump back over, the different ways that you can actually earn on this application is by answering surveys. You can do that. It tells you, the amount of time. It shows you here how many Swagbucks you're going to earn for taking these different surveys. You can also shop on here if you know you're going to be doing some shopping. If you're going to go to Best Buy, you can click on here, buy it through here, get 3% cash back. If you're doing shopping on Amazon right now, you can get up 10% cash back just by shopping through this link right here. They have Walmart, they have eBay. So these are very, very big, well brand known stores that people are shopping at every day. Why not come on here, do your shopping, and get some cash back? They even have Target and Kohl's on here, Expedia if you're doing traveling. They also have some other really cool ways. You can be watching videos, you guys. You can get paid literally to watch some really cool, interesting videos on here if you're into that. You can also play games and earn. And then they have even more popular videos. You can get paid even to search the web. Real quickly here, I just wanted to point this out. Basically what's happening here on this application and this website is they are paying you in Swagbucks. So the Swagbucks are basically points that you're earning. And the way that you actually cash these out is you buy different gift cards. So if you come down here to the bottom, you can see all the different gift cards that they have available. And there are literally tons, you guys. If you want to get paid just in PayPal cash, you can do it like that. You can get paid in Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards. If you click all gift cards right here, you can see that they have a ton of different gift cards. If we click on just most popular, you can see it listed out here. They have iTunes, they have Walmart gift cards, they have Target gift cards, eBay gift cards, and the list just keeps going on and on and on. They even have Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts on here, Lowe's. And then last but not least, you guys, I wanted to throw this in there as well. I did want to put it in the top 3 just because this is not worldwide. This application right here called Dosh is specific to the US, but if you live in the US, this application right here is absolutely a no-brainer, you guys. I've had this installed on my smartphone now for 2 years, and literally you get paid for doing nothing with this application. You set it up, you connect a debit or a credit card to it, and then every time that you go shopping at one of these stores or thousands of other locations, you're going to get cash back automatically in the background. There's nothing special that you have to do. You don't have to go click on anything. This all happens automatically. This thing is just harvesting cash back for you in the background. Every once in a while, I go and check on this application and just see how much money I've made, how much money is sitting there. If you have the notifications turned on, you'll actually see when you go and make purchases at certain stores that are affiliated with this Dosh app right here, it'll pop up and say you just saved $2 or whatever, and it'll add it to your Dosh savings, and then you can simply connect your bank account and transfer all the money that you have in Dosh directly back to your bank account. This one, I'm sorry, but it's literally a no-brainer. Cannot recommend this enough. If you like this as well and you try this out, what's also really cool, you guys, you can get paid $5 for every person that you refer to this application as well. They give you your own little affiliate link. They make it very easy to send it out. You can do it like via SMS, you can do it Facebook, all kinds of really cool ways to get that link out there and get your friends and family using this as well and collect your $5. I believe you get that $5 immediately as soon as they install the app and they connect their own card. I've done this several times and collected a lot of referral bonuses. One other thing I'll point out as well is every once in a while they actually run a bonus program where instead of $5, it can be $10 or $15. They usually do that for like 2 weeks, maybe to a month, where they run those promotional bonuses. But if you check on that, you can be earning up to $15 sometimes just for referring this application out to people. And like I said, it's just a really cool app. It's a no-brainer. You literally get paid for doing nothing with this application. Alrighty, my friends, that's going to be a wrap for today. Go out there and try these top 4 applications that I just gave you today. Check those out. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I always appreciate your comments. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up, you guys. It helps to grow my channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible, and I'm always incredibly grateful for every single like that I get. Don't forget to subscribe. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click the bell notification, select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, you guys. And last but not least, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you guys. That is no joke. Like I said, without spending too much time here, I have spent so long trying to figure out how to make money online. If you want a significant amount of money that is life-changing, I'm talking about full-time work where you can work anywhere in the world, have a life of freedom, break free from your 9 to 5, you need to check out my #1 recommendation, and I'll left a link for that directly beneath this video down in the top of the description. It is chadbennettlive.com. Make sure that you check that out. Let me know what you think, you guys. I always appreciate you watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace.